Hey guys, I'm going to show you how easy it is to 3D print. Go to Thingiverse and find what you're looking for. Click download, or go to the individual item and click download. At the bottom, click next. Your software pops up. Make sure you know what nozzle you're using. Click slice. 23 minutes. Save to removable file. Grab your SD card and plug it in. Next, you're gonna click here, press print from TF, and then we're gonna hit the latest one. While our printer gets going, we're gonna put a layer of Elmer's school glue, and that will get us ready to print. Just waiting on the 3D printer to scan the build plate to make sure that even if it's not leveled, then it will correct for it to be leveled, getting you clear prints. And watch the magic work. It's not the exact print, I printed multiples of them, but you get the gist of it. Okay guys, so we noticed a little problem here with the print. Up it over so you guys can take a look. There is some lifting action and some stuff going on. I just want to note that this just means that in my case that the filament was a little bit older. Alright guys, so we're about 1 hour into it, and yeah, we're gonna head home and check on this tomorrow morning. It should be done in about 2 hours. Guys, so it's the next day. Let's come over and see what we have. And here's our new irrigation system. Cool. We're gonna grab our spatula, and that's all you need to do, and that's it. You have your parts. Clean them up, okay, and you're good to go. Alright guys, this is it. This sticks into the ground, this plugs in, this unscrews, and the water comes out the little jets here. Plug it in, and we got 3 of them. Anyways guys, have a good one. That's how easy it is to 3D print.